There's the start of the third period. And we're going to see something similar here with what Cash did earlier in the game. So you come in and then you dump it. It sort of gets dumped in. Now you back off right away. So if you're going to attack across the zone, really you're supposed to just go all the way in and just get on him. Again, though, you have to trust your teammates to cover for you, okay? So that's the hard part. Really, if we're playing properly as a team, yeah, you just walk in and one of your forwards is going to cover for you, okay? I don't know if they'll do it, but that's what we're supposed to do, okay? And so, he shoots it and it goes around. Where should you guys be? Where's the support? You want to get in that corner right there, okay? Support, 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 okay? You can come across the goalie and maybe screen him, but once you see, I think it's Lear on that side, once he needs help, then you're gonna be on the board. Or you can screen the goalie and you can just be ready for a pass here or call for that, okay? But anytime the puck rims around, if you need support, right down there, right back down there, okay? Okay, and hit the puck. Come on, hit it like you mean it. Right, and there's a whistle. A really hectic shift here. Real quick, Ellie, you should have your stick on this side. You're waiting to just hit it right away, right when the puck gets to you. Okay. See, so that way you don't have to wind up then shoot it. Okay, crash that net, guys. Crash that net. Despite what you guys think, slap shots are not all that effective. You really just wrist shot it. Get wrist shot and get it through. That's more important rather than just blasting it. Okay. I find slap shots are mainly effective only when mainly as one-timers. Other than that, you can usually just get away with doing wrist or snapshot, okay? The windup takes too long. Also, you want to blindly slap shot. You want to make sure there's people in front of the net. Otherwise, it's better that you actually just miss wide and hit the board. Oh, sorry. Alright, sorry if that phone call shows up in the video. Probably did at the very beginning. Oh, okay, so here. Alright, anyway, as I was saying, you slap shot, if there's no traffic in front, then it's better to slap shot wide or just hang on to it. Now, the other thing I want to cover here is, so you'll see Austin make a move. Okay, I mean, he has no choice. The guy's right in his face. So Caleb, good job. You're already going back. Okay, perfect. You're already back there. I'm glad to see you weren't like just on the side. Okay. Now this guy's pretty tough, dude. So you barely yeah, you barely kept with him. So good job. It's tough to guard. And even better, Brecken, great back check here. Okay. Great back check. Yeah, also have pride on your defense. That's more important. This was a 2-1 game, so not everyone's gonna score. You know, there's only 3 players that scored in the game, and you know, little stuff like this. Okay, hard back check. Excellent job. Yep, and that was the difference. Both Caleb and Brecken, great job. Okay, now on the other hand, you go up. You have a trailer here, and you have a third man coming in too, right here. Now, rather than just go on the side, start. Hard to say what to do. Well, let's let the play develop a little more. But I'd rather have you coming more towards the middle. Yeah, because it's gonna have a tough time passing you all the way down there. Okay, and you guys are starting to make a line, right? You're starting to form a line. You don't want to form lines. You want to form triangles. Okay, form a triangle. Okay, so either Ellie keeps going, and you have literally you have to recognize and back up, or Ellie just cut more towards the middle. Good, good. Back check. Keep going. Don't give up on him. Ah. Oh, now my dog's barking. Hopefully that doesn't get in the video. It's gonna blast away, okay? Just wrist shot it. Just get it through. Oops. think we did we throw that up the middle? I think we threw that up the middle. Or did they? I think they got it. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, they did. Okay. All right. Here you're gonna see a hockey sin right here. No, no, that is a no-no. Okay, you don't dangle out of the zone, out of your own defensive zone. Okay, if you're gonna do it, it's gotta work 99% of the times. Okay, since nothing's 100%. Okay, otherwise you gotta just soft chip that off the board, or even better, you just slow down and give it a Jesse. Okay, that would have been better. Okay, but you can't try to dangle and cough it up. Those are pretty bad defensive zone. Okay. Okay, gotta get it out. Good. Okay. Now you got a headman. See, he's ahead of you, and if you don't headman, what happens is, let me pull this up real quick. So if you're here and you just carry it all the way in, this guy has to stop, and when you come in, then he has to start accelerating again. So he's gonna be behind the play already. All right. Versus if you just headman the puck right away, he can maintain his full speed and perhaps maybe beat the defenseman if it's going slow. And then even if he doesn't, you're gonna come in, and both of you will have your full speed going forward. Okay, headman the puck, very important. Part of it is you gotta stick handle with your head up. Okay, particularly it's easy to practice when there's no one around you. Okay, so look up, headman, automatic. Yeah, his giving you a nice big target too. Give it to him. Now he's got to stop, then catch up. Okay. Okay. Now where did the puck go? Went around the board. Okay, so get in front of the goalie or support back here. Okay, support right away. Give them that support. Okay, now a point man will be up here somewhere. So he has front side and back side support. Okay. Skip forward just a tad. We drew a penalty. Cash drew a penalty, so we're on a power play. Well, see, again, you don't have to slap shot. Accuracy is way more important than the speed. Okay. Oops, and yeah, you gotta angle this guy. Gotta angle. Just imagine that the guy doesn't even have a puck. Your goal is to just stay in front of the body, okay? It's not necessarily to get the puck. Unfortunately, mishandles. Okay, and yeah, we're on a power play. You kind of take this 1-on-4. It's an okay shot though, I guess. Micah, anticipate. Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't know if you saw the puck, but whoop. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, skipping ahead a little bit, they scored a shorthanded goal. I believe that's true. Wasn't much to say about that. I mean, he put up a good shot. I think Martin would also like to have that one back, but anyway, here on the face-off, I forgot to mention this. In general, face-off, have a plan. You usually want to hit it back, okay? If you're gonna hit it forward, you gotta alert your teammates, okay? But the waste is if like you hit it forward like this, okay, and you just give them the puck. Okay, have a plan. Have a plan on a face-off. It should almost always be to hit it back to your teammates, so you can control the puck. Okay. All right. So again, what are you doing wrong, Alonzo? What are you doing wrong? You come in and you stop. Right? No good. Keep going. If you're gonna stop, like one ice breakout is if you're gonna go top down, yeah, you come down, but you gotta be lower if you're gonna stop. And then usually after you receive it, there should be a centerman coming up. Okay. That's their standard ice breakout. Like I said, if you watch that breakout video, I talk about I'd rather do a bottoms up approach than top down. If you don't know what that means, go take a look at the breakout video. And I think it's just offside here. Okay. Okay, good. Win it back. Nice job. You keep going back if you want. Oh. Okay, good enough. Alright, well, you opted to shoot. You probably could have back passed it to Ellie. Might have been better. Okay, so you're shooting from kind of far. Got a lot on that, though. What can I say? Okay, good. So again, you can, like I said before, I mean, yeah, you can support here, but it's probably easier to support back there. Oops. Okay, almost. Okay, nice little play here. So one thing all of you want to work on is, I'm sure you're not intentionally not passing the bird. It's just you have your head down while you guys stick handle, so you don't see everything around you. So, you know, yeah, that would be a good pass to Brecken. You can easily walk into. Okay, so when you guys practice stick handling, you really want to practice stick handling with your head up, and it's not something you're gonna practice once a week and get better. Okay, it's something you got to do a lot more than once a week. Okay. Oh, there's a whistle there. Okay. 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 Good. Good pressure, guys. See, so instead of just blindly throwing in the middle, how about throwing it along the board? Okay, along the board, and someone give them support right away. It's a good time to use it. If you can get a shot on net, that's fine, but just don't blindly throw it in the middle. Whoops. Skate, skate, keep up them. Keep up them. Good. Good, good, good. Don't let them off the hook. Make it hard for them. Okay. Nice move. Ah, almost. Nice try. Alright, is that Caleb? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to see something really good from... Well, no, it's Cash. Okay, hold on, hold on. It's a little bit later. Okay, so breakout was a little awkward, I think, because we're on a change. That's right, I won't go over too much. Okay, so, this is why, okay, I'm not sure why you're slap shotting. If you want to scare the pants out of the guy, fine, but, you know, you're like 10 feet wide. So if you're gonna do that for intimidation, fine. But the next time you want to fake slap shot that, right? Fake slap and get around them. Like I said, a lot of times a snapshot, wrist shot, especially a snapper, like a quick snap, boom. It's all about the quick release these days. At least when you watch NHL, quick release is way more important than just brute power, brute force, I should say. Okay, oops, no fishing allowed. Oop, yep. Okay, this is good poise right here. This is what I'm talking about. So skate back through. This is perfect. And then you cut fake left and right. That's even better. I don't know if you messed up or not, but yeah, it looked pretty nice. That's what I mean. Control, 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 okay? Now, in the meantime, it would have helped if whoever's home. Let me go back just a tad more. Whoever's on the right side was lower. To Micah. Okay, so yeah, so you stopped up. So you're getting better going lower, but you want to get speed going forward. So as he passes, you're not flat-footed. Okay, and you see Jacob dangle around his own guy. Yep, get some. That's right, user size. Very nice. Good balance, too. Up, offside. Up. Okay. And I know everyone's yelling, get him right here, get him. But if you're going to go after the guy, you have to angle him, okay? Well, because if you go right at the guy, you're going to see him. He's just going to put the puck through your legs or whatever. So if you're going to go at him, you stop right here. Or you got to angle already, okay? So watch this. Oh, easy. And you guys are already behind. Okay. Fortunately, Micah stopped him. Good job. Kind of. Good. Good headman right there. Good. Right away. And it's quick. That's what you're supposed to do. Okay, again, not just trying to one-on-one, alright? Look for your guys behind you too. But this is actually a good move. I gotta say, Jacob, you're really good at cutting to the middle and giving yourself a good shot. Simple, right? Fake left and go back right, and it's right in the slot. You know, he's not giving himself a bad angle shot. So that's pretty good. Alright, this one's a pretty crazy shift. A lot of back and forth action on this one. Let's stop it here real quick. Alright, so here's a judgment call. So you're gonna make a board pass, which is okay. This is what I mean by this person. You're gonna be in front of the goalie, but you need to anticipate a board pass. With that said, Micah, you probably should just backed up and told him to shoot, or you could pass to Jacob. A couple things I'm worried about that pass. It looks like this guy can pick it off. I can't tell from this angle. So a lot of times, as Jacob, you want to get in front of that guy. Get in front of him, and so he can't. He has zero chance of picking off that pass. Okay. If his is too far forward, I suppose you can stay there. Okay, but so you throw it down low. Okay, so you gotta anticipate. Gotta anticipate. And as soon as he gets a puck, you guys have to get in there. You're not just standing flat. You gotta get over there and support him. Oh, blue tire, fortunately. Okay, delayed penalty. Yeah, you don't want to do this. Should probably headman and Micah, but all right. Okay, just walk with it, walk with it. You don't have to shoot it. Okay, Jesse, you gotta start getting back. There's 3 guys deep. Okay, good job. Way to keep it in, Cash. Whoops. So now it's a 2-on-1. Okay, that's why Jesse, you want to be a little conservative. I know you're usually a center, so you can kind of roam around, but gotta be a little more responsible as a D-man. Oh, lucky. Okay, that's fine. Chip. Oh. Alright, no fishing allowed. Oh, yeah. So the key is, again, you're not trying to get the puck. You're just trying to get his body. Okay, you're trying to match his speed. And for you defensemen, it's really hard to skate backwards and match, especially quick guys like him. I think that's a hood, right? So you have to be ready to turn around right away. It's not the most fundamentally sound D, but you won't get burned that way if you're already kind of like halfway turned. You have to know the player too. And Slacker came with some huge saves. Slacker is good today too. He's solid. Good. Sorry, don't make moves. Last guy back. You can't cough that. You almost had a breakaway there. Nice job, Jacob. Good help there, Greeno. Okay, 2-on-1 again. Not sure how that happened. Hold on. So with 1 goal, well, I mean, we should be playing a little more conservative. Let's see. Okay, not sure exactly how it happened. Alonzo, where are you at? All right, so you have to recognize this. Austin's coming from behind, so you have to kind of hurry up and come in. Okay, you just kind of skate straight like to this side. I mean, yeah, that's your position, but here it's a 2-on-1. You gotta come and help out, and you gotta hurry up. So I was hoping you would catch Trulong there, Alonzo. Okay, he doesn't get a great shot off, fortunately. this shift look a little hectic, like we're running around a lot. Chip out. Oh. Okay, and big save there. Solid. Alright, skipped ahead about a minute. There's the last, well, second last shift of the game, technically. Oh, we alright, Brecken? Okay. Job, Diop-Chu, nice job. And not sure what happened here. Alright, so you, both of you, Brecken, so we gotta be conservative a little bit, right? I know you're not a D guy, but you gotta help him out here. Same with you, Jesse. You're not off to the races, okay? So what happened was we pinched up and yeah, this guy got it right there. Okay, and then you yeah, it's a penalty. It wasn't a bad penalty actually. I mean, you have to get him. You've got to get him there. And I don't know why they blew the whistle. They should have kept playing it. Yeah, but yeah, refs aren't always at their best. Yeah, shouldn't have blown it. And we barely hold them off. Oh, with one big wow. Wow, what a win. All right, so overall, that was a pretty solid game. I didn't see any. There are a few partial breakaways, but it's not like we did anything bad mentally. It was more just the guy physically made a good move. Other than that, yeah, it was a pretty solid game. Obviously, we still want to work on that breaking out, a lot of that, and support Hitman and Puck. It's gonna take the whole season probably. It's gonna take all the time. But yeah, I've seen some improvement, seeing some good stuff. As usual, well, I think it might have been disabled before, but if you want to leave a comment and you have questions, feel free to post them on the YouTube or ask me in person. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Good job, guys. See you next time.